Just want to do a quick video on a KTM 85 top end, and what this is, it's actually a 2013 through 2017 cylinder, piston, head, power valves. And what you can do with this kit is you can put this on the 04 to 2012 KTM 85, and the reason you would want to do that, I will show you. This is a 2004 cylinder, and you can see a little bit of difference between it and the 2013. The head bolt pattern is different. The power valve cover bolts on a little differently. This front exhaust flange is different. But what is the same on these cylinders is the base gasket, where it bolts to the crankcases. So the whole purpose of this kit is that these cylinders, and this is the last one that I have, this is a KTM 85 replated, so it's a used cylinder replated, that fits 04 through 2012. They are obsolete from KTM. They're not going to make any more. Whatever's out there, that's all that exists. So if you get in a situation where your cylinder is not repairable, not able to replate, re-sleeve, or whatever, and you need a cylinder, you'll have a hard time finding the 2004 to 2012 cylinders. So this kit will allow the 2013 through 2017 top end to be used on the 2004 to 2012. Now there is a motor mount on this cylinder head. Right there's a motor mount. You won't need that. That's used on the 13 through 17 only. And what you'll do to install this kit, because there's a difference in the cylinder right here, the older cylinder, the 2004 to 2012, has a different seal in the clutch cover. So what you get, the clutch cover gasket with this kit, you have to pull the clutch cover off, and the reason you have to pull the clutch cover off is to install this rubber seal, which is different from the older motor to the newer motor. Once you do that, this whole top end will bolt right on. The exhaust pipe matches up. That's all identical. The kit comes with piston rings, pin, glass gaskets. This is everything you need to convert a 2004 through 2012 to the newer 2013 through 2017 cylinder. And these cylinders and all the parts for them are available from KTM, so none of these parts are obsolete. So this will allow people to rebuild the older bikes. And a quick look around, you can see I have a few cylinders, about 30 years in the business of dirt bikes, and a bunch of OEM heads up there and some fat heads. My son has Fathead Racing up in Michigan, so look up Fathead Racing if you want two-piece CNC machine cylinder head for your dirt bike. And that's all for now. Thank you.